Majesty, my own special Kabiyesi himself, Oba Abimbola, the Alaafin of Oyo, the Alaafin of the world. Well, ladies and gentlemen, I bring warm felicitations from the Federal Republic of Nigeria, the Ministry of Art, Culture, Tourism and the Creative Economy, and His Excellency President Bola Ahmed Tinubu on this historic and joyous occasion. I heartily congratulate Your Imperial Majesty, my own Alaafin of Oyo, Oba Abimbola, the new Shango priest. One of the great elements that the world is celebrating Nigeria today is because of our culture. And honestly, that culture lies in the west coast of Nigeria. The Yoruba culture is so deep, is so profound, that it has the ability to transcend border and time. And honestly, one of the great things that makes us a great nation is because of the Yoruba culture. Today, we celebrate not just a festival, but this is a legacy. Consequent to the effective collaboration of my ministry with the Oyo community, the Sango Festival has now attained global recognition with its inscription of UNESCO on the representative list of the intangible cultural heritage of humanity. This huge milestone firmly places Shango's rich heritage on the world stage and underscores the importance as a global shared heritage. In a moment, it will be my great resounding honor on behalf of the Federal Republic of Nigeria and on behalf of President Bola Ahmed Tinubu to present the UNESCO Certificate of Inscription to His Imperial Majesty, the Alaafin of Oyo. This achievement is a shining gain of the renewed hope agenda of His Excellency, President Bola Ahmed Tinubu, GCFR. Through my ministry's commitment of safeguarding our rich cultural heritage and promoting it as a powerful tool for imperial diplomacy and sustainable tourism. Ladies and gentlemen, the foregoing further strengthens the foundation of our strong cultural heritage and culture put together through generations and wealth creation for sustainable development, empowerment of the host community and of Nigeria and Black people globally. Long live the World Sango Festival, long live the Alaafin of Oyo, and long live the Federal Republic of Nigeria, and long live President Bola Ahmed Tinubu. I thank you.